The eagle will carry you. I just threw up in my mouth. Oh, that tasted like monster and sadness.
Oh, yeah.
Could you just... fucking... Thank you. I can change my shoes.
I unleash my true power of frame rate tornado.
How the fuck did you get here already? You're just chilling up there like,
Yep.
oh, hey, Sonic, I've been waiting for you while you did the trials.
Yes.
How were they?
Don't
Sonic.
talk to me about that.
Oh.
That's a lot of them.
He actually looks really mad there.
Yeah, he does.
Oh. Oh, good.
I have tilted the cartridge. See?
They all dead now. Oh no, it's Silver. We'll have to fight him. That would be awful.
You look like you in a hurry. I found where my testicles were.
Oh.
Circumstances have changed.
Okay. Well, let's go then.
Get behind me, bitch.
Watch my back and look at my ass as I run. Silver. I can't run that fast. I can float though.
He can run as fast as Sonic Man, though.
No, Sonic can run fast.
Sonic Man!
You make that sound like some old
Oh,
Japanese
you haven't seen
action
Pepsi
movie.
Man?
Yes, I have.
Pepsi Man!
I was thinking of Denji Sentai Mega Ranger.
No. Pepsi Man!
Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, and
Get
fuck you!
Oh, that one hit the... Pepsi Man! I just played this game recently. It's amazing. It's way better than this game. Oh, you can grind on the wind.
Well, that's technically
Of
canon.
course you can.
No, that's technically canon because in Sonic and the Black Knight, Sonic was dubbed Knight of the Wind.
Sonic and the Black Knight is canon?
Technically. They're all canon.
That's news.
Well, because, in Colors... Sorry, I'm allergic to bullshit. I mentioned Colors.
Yeah.
That game, as good as it is absolute complete bullshit because it makes
Yes.
no sense. But they do mention, he goes into storybooks and, fights off people. So the
Really?
storybook series is canon. It did happen.
That is depressing.
But that's all I mentioned. It's this is weird. Not as weird as fighting, blah, 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 blah.
Did they also mention how poorly...
Executed?
Yes.
No.
Kind of like how people sort of ignore the fact that this game exists.
They can't, though. It was in Generations.
Yeah.
Please be a 1-up? No? Okay, then.
It's a shortcut where you can grind on the wind. Which...
Wait, can I ride?
People may be
Oh,
like...
I can ride the eagle. I can ride the burb.
The burb!
Take me, burb.
Burb!
Take me on an
Burb.
adventure.
Burb!
Up, up, and away.
Burp, 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 burp. Burp, 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 burp.
No. No.
Burp, 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 burp.
It's not funny.
So,
Finish the game. Your save file has been corrupted. I'm going to lie down on the street now. Oh, it's this part.
oh, good.
Bye, Silver.
Wait, what? You can just ignore Silver?
Yeah, but then you're gonna get stuck right here.
Oh.
Unless.
No, I think you have to talk to Silver.
Unless
No, you have to talk to Silver.
I can just...
No, Silver.
Yeah, not touch Silver.
Friend Silver.
Silver, buddy! Sup. Alright then. Luckily, I remember how to play as Silver. Yeah!
Also known as Halo Physics, which we believe are not good.
Woo! Pew, 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 pew. Oh! Holy Jesus! Oh, the thing wasn't rendered yet. Pew, 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 pew. There we go.
Pew. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, boy. So Silver just has access to the
I
level.
believe I can fly. Fuck you.
Okay, that's pretty satisfying. To just have that... Oh, no. To just have that ability to throw their own bullshit back at them.
I know that's
That's fantastic.
that's one
Ooh,
reason.
there's
I
stuff
actually
over
like
to
Silver.
the right.
There's?
Yeah.
Where?
Over there. You should probably drop all the boxes and... Yeah. Think you
I
can make
don't
it?
want to risk it.
Okay. So we have to destroy these people.
I'm just Silver,
Rings.
what do you think of this game?
This game. Great, great, great!
I love it.
Oh, boy.
I believe I can fly.
You should probably go checkpoint.
Oh yeah.
We only have 2 lives at this, you know. Oh, wow.
It's a trap for them.
Oh, God.
I'll take these with me. Thank you very much. I have my entourage. Pew, 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 pew. Oh,
Ah!
oh god.
Your entourage came back.
I was just happy to see me.
It's that
Were there stuff
dipshit
like that?
Fred. It's...
Cool. Can I have that? Nope.
Nope.
Okay. Oh, I don't have any psychokinesis powers. Gotta recharge it. There we go. Stop shooting at me. Stop.
Remind me again why they thought psychokinesis would be a good idea for this engine.
It's just not well executed. It's actually a cool idea, though.
No, yeah, no, but for this engine, I mean, for this game.
Oh, it's this guy. Watch this. He's zapped. Now I pick him up. I'm gonna let go, and he dies.
It's just...
You don't have to throw him. You just pick it up
Oh,
and then put it down.
man.
I wonder. Hold on a second.